Hello friends, today I have got an interesting problem for you. So this picture dates back to 2014 when Nepal set a Guinness World Record for the largest human-made flag. So it is the national flag of Nepal, and I was also the part of the team here, and I was somewhere here in this flag. And the question I have is, there were 35,000 people present in this flag to set the record, and how many people were there in this row. If you have a keen interest in mathematics, you can just give it a try. Till then, we'll go to the solution. Let's see the map of Nepal. It has got some interesting property. The total area flag of Nepal is equal to 1.006 times the area of a square with the same base length, or in other words, which is approximately equal to the area of a square with the same base length. So let's look at the figure. This is the flag of Nepal, and I have drawn a square such that the base of this square is the line represented by this red bottom. Or in other words, if you look at the map in this way, and this is a square ABCD, so what this statement describes is that if you see this green space and this yellow space, these area are almost the same. That means if you manage to cut the green pieces, and you are almost able to put these all pieces managed in this yellow area. So let's go back. So how to mathematically model the Guinness World Records human flag? Let's assume each person covers some area, because each person is carrying a placard, so they will have some area covered. Now the total persons who present there were 35,000, so the total area will be around 35,000 units. We are assuming that each one is carrying a same sized placard, which in real was not the case, but still we are assuming the area to be 35,000 units. Then, since the total area of this map is equal to this square, so the length of the square can be calculated by the square root of 35,000 units, which will give us around 187 units. That means, so by our assumption, what we assume is a person is occupying area of length 1 units and breadth 1 units. So this length of 187 units are nothing but the persons involved, so which is approximately 187 persons in this row. So let's see the figure again. So if 35,000 people were present to set the record, in this row there should be 187 people, from this corner of this red color to this corner of the red color. So to verify, let's zoom in the picture. As far as I remember, the people were gathered in a chunks of 10. That means in this chunk there were 10 people, and in this chunk there were 10 people. So let's count how many chunks were there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So in 15 chunks there were 150 people, but it is giving 187 people. So in our assumption, what we have assumed that each one is carrying a square shaped placard, which was not the case in the real field. So there may be some people missing out there, and also you can see that there are some gaps in between these different chunks, so it must carry some area of the people there. So instead of 15 chunks, we can assume there were 2 or 3 people in these chunks also. So by adding some 20 or 30 people, we will get around to the same number of 187 people out there. So thanks for watching.